In this video, how to message recruiter on LinkedIn. I will show you step by step how to message a recruiter on LinkedIn. First, open the LinkedIn app on your phone or go to the LinkedIn website. Log in to your account using your email and password. After logging in, go to the search bar at the top of the screen. Type keywords such as recruiter or hiring manager. You can also search recruiter followed by your field, for example, recruiter marketing or recruiter IT. Press enter to see the results. Now click the tab called People. Open the recruiter's profile you want to contact. Read the profile information before sending a message. Check if the recruiter works with jobs in your field. Now click the Connect button. You can add a personalized message. Write a short and professional introduction. Introduce yourself and mention the type of job you want. After that, click Send to send the request. Now wait for the recruiter to accept your connection. Once accepted, click the Message button. Type your message explaining your interest in the opportunity. You can also attach your resume if needed. This is how you can message recruiters on LinkedIn.